It has been an insane week in the world of AI. We got updates and news from the usual, like OpenAI, Google, and Grok. But we also got some really cool updates from Amazon. So let's jump in. Probably the biggest news of the week is ChatGPT's agent. So they have this new agent that will take action for you. Think something like Manus, but done through ChatGPT. And their demos that they showed is actually pretty cool if it works as well as they say it does. So you can basically say, hey, make an anime image of my company logo and then order 500 stickers, and it will be able to do that. I'll have a video of this as soon as I get access later this week. Amazon's announcement for the week is a tool called Kiro. So it uses Claude, and it is a cursor like tool where it is a IDE that looks like VS Code, just it is running some Amazon exclusive or specific things. What sets it apart is it uses something called spec-driven development. So it is a set of commands or a set of actions that it has to take. It basically is making an outline of your program before you start vibe coding. It works pretty well. The other really cool thing about Kiro is it has agent hooks. So we can actually set up a hook or a reoccurring agent that will say, hey, every single time code is updated, update the documentation. So it makes vibe coding a lot better. I have a full video that I did earlier in the week. And if you guys want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest news, don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI every day. Anthropic put an update out this week for Claude, which allows it to access more tools. So you can actually set up Claude now to work with things like Chrome or iMessage, and you can just talk to Claude and have it send out messages or check your calendar or send out emails. As you can see, it works with a lot more things than it used to, making it more integrated with the apps that you're already using. I should have a video about this one coming tomorrow. Elon Musk's Grok also got an update this week where you have these little anime characters, and there's another one here. It's like a little fox or a teddy bear or something that you can talk to and have a live conversation with, and there are different modes of that where there are no restrictions. Sticking on the Grok front for a moment, Grok is also coming to Teslas, and they actually have it on the Tesla website now with like a whole FAQ, which Teslas will get the update. And currently, based off what they're saying, which ones will be available, it has to meet the criteria. Basically, you need an AMD processor, and you need one of these models here, and you need the latest version of the software. And I don't know why they said this. Any car after July 12th, 2025 will basically have it. I guess they're saying if you get it off the lot or you're buying a new Tesla, it's going to have the newest software, but a lot of older cars will get it as well, as long as you have the AMD processor, and just wait for your update. Google is starting to roll out an AI-powered feature that allows you to call businesses. So this is actually a feature I did a beta test on a while ago, and it works pretty well. You can go to Google, you can search up like dog grooming, for example. It's going to bring up this little screen and options that look like this, and it's just basically saying, hey, what are you really interested in? And it will call businesses to get a price, to get a quote for you based off the dog grooming in whatever area you're looking at. So you can say, hey, instead of me spending time to call 10 different places, it's going to make all the calls for you. It will bring you back an email and a summary of everything that it has found. And as always, if you want to dive into any of these articles, I'll have links to all this in the show notes below. So let's talk about Windsurf for a second. So Windsurf was going to be sold to OpenAI, the deal fell through, and then Google swooped in and hired the Windsurf executives for $2.4 billion. Part of the deal is they got to license certain aspects of Windsurf. So Google now owns parts of Windsurf, and they have the CEOs. It went from OpenAI about to own Windsurf to Google basically owning a large part of it. When I say a large part of it, well, there's another thing that happened this past week. Cognition went and bought the remaining parts of Windsurf just days after Google purchased the licensing deal for $2.4 billion. If this name does not sound familiar to you, they are the same ones who created Devin, which is the coding platform that exists. The last piece of news that I have for you is one from DuckDuckGo. If you use DuckDuckGo as your search engine, or you want to find stuff that is not AI, DuckDuckGo now has a feature that will specifically avoid AI images. So they put out this tweet here saying, hey, you can do that now. I hope you enjoyed this week's catch up of AI news. I cover AI news every Sunday, and I cover AI every single day with all sorts of fun and interesting things. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. It tells algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. And leave a comment down below. What is your favorite news item for the week? Or is there anything I missed that was really cool? I tried to cover only the big ones this week. If you guys want to see a lot of little news items, let me know and I'll change the format based off what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.